po nating masaksihan yung pagbebenta ng sasakyan at ibinebenta na rin po yung unang bahay na kanyang naipundar mula nang sumikat siya.
Christy Fermin, in the latest episode of her online show, has talked about Daniel Padilla and his businesses allegedly being up for sale. In the latest episode of Christy Ferminate Online, Christy said there was news about Daniel allegedly selling even the businesses he invested in. According to Christy, one such business is the one located in Tacloban, claiming the business is said to be a food chain, refusing to mention the name. Si Daniel Padilla, matapos po nating masaksihan yung pagbibenta ng sasakyan, at ibinibenta na rin po yung unang bahay na kanyang naipundar mula nung sumikat siya. Aba pati raw yung yung mga naipundar na negosyo, binibenta na rin. Pati raw yung kilalang kilala na alam mo na. Yung naipatayo nila sa probinsya, sa Tacloban ata yun, yung food chain, she said. During her discussion with Romel Chaika, Christy alleged the food chain is being sold at 50 million pesos. She also added that Daniel seems to plan to go abroad. Yung food chain mukhang binibenta na rin daw ng 50 metro. At may kwento pa na parang gusto nang umalis ng Pilipinas ni Daniel Padilla, she said.
Pati daw yung yung mga naipundar na mga negosyo, binibenta na rin. Pati daw yung kilalang alam mo na, yung naipatayo nila sa probinsya, di ba? Sa Tacloban yata yun. Yung food chain, di ba? Huwag na tayo magbanggit ng brand, di ba? Yung food chain mukhang ibinebenta na rin daw ng 50M.